Okay, we got an interesting problem here. We got a PC here. There was a sudden power outage, and then they turned the computer back on, and it presented with a message on the screen. I'll show you that message. Okay, so problem with that message is when it comes to this screen, by the way, it's a Windows 7. When it comes, yeah, there we go. When it comes to that screen, the keyboard doesn't respond. So Control-Alt-Delete doesn't work. I'll reset the computer. I'll try to get into BIOS, for example. It will get into BIOS. See numlock works. You can see the screen. So I'm pressing arrows on the, so I'm able to use it. And Control-Delete, and Gigabyte logo, and menus don't work, and no response. I thought it may be because at the DOS screen, you know, USB 3 devices don't work. There's USB legacy mode in BIOS, which is already enabled, still not working. So, same issue. I attempted to boot from a Windows 7 USB and did a repair, automatic repair. It said it found problems and tried to repair, nothing happened. So what I'm going to try and do is bring in a HP laptop, a Windows 7 compatible machine, this one here. What I'm going to do, turn this guy off. We'll take this one has a SSD drive, so we'll just take the hard drive out. And I'm not even sure, in the year 2021, or entering 2022, Windows 7 issues are relevant or not. Okay, so we got here, and this machine has Windows 7. This guy used for data recovery and other things. Okay, let's see if the same issue will present itself here. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Blue screen, that's fine because this system is not compatible, like the boot options. Like this one may have the compatible mode for the AHCI, sorry, for the SATA. Okay, so let's put it back in here. You can't repeat this kind of problem, so doing a live repair. Let's see how the system will react. I'm curious to know as well. So power on and power on. Let's have a look at here. Gigabyte. Ah, God damn. So basically keyboard does not work here. See the numlock key? No. So I'm going to wait for that to finish. There's something fishy about this motherboard. So it's not actually a frozen keyboard. It just doesn't work in this mode. I don't know why. Even though USB legacy mode is enabled, which should allow USB devices to work. So here we go. That's fine. It should bring the Windows recovery or something similar. Keyboard still not working. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Okay. Nothing's happening. That's not good. Let's try rebooting. going to try a different port. Ah, this one worked. So damn interesting. So the top one worked, the bottom one did not work. What the hell? Like, what does that mean? That means this motherboard had some shitty issues. Okay. Anyway, we're back and we're loaded into Windows. That's a really weird, interesting problem. Keyboard still not working yet. Maybe it's not recognized in Windows yet. Ah, Windows itself is frozen. So whatever happened, the system received some kind of a shock or damage from the power. It's frozen. No response. And mouse, no movement on the mouse. It's still stuck there. Okay. Let's reboot one more time. See, it's not working. I'll try another port. No. USB 2 port. No. Try same port that worked before. No. No, nothing works. Okay, it seems to be working now. Manage. Let's have a look at the event viewer, see if anything comes on. Okay. We're still waiting. It hasn't frozen yet, we're still waiting. Alright, so the system is up and running. Port seems to be working fine, but what do you call it? I can see in the event logs has pnt.sys has been blocked from running. Rebooted without shutting down properly. Yeah, I mean this system has all kinds of issues. I would save the motherboard. Try another port, see if it works fine. Yeah, it does work fine. Maybe check BIOS system information. This is running on F5 BIOS version. I suspect it might be quite old. I mean, it's 2013. The motherboard is old. It's a 3rd generation CPU. What do you expect? I'll open a Gigabyte website and let's see what updates we can do on this. Gigabyte GA-B75M D2V. This is 3.0. Okay. Hello, SureCan speaking. Yes, you can. What's the issue and what time were you thinking? 5:30 is perfect. No problem. You're welcome. Yeah. Oh, you can't log into the computer. So strange. Okay. Not a problem. Bring it in. Bring it in. Okay, one sec. So we're gonna leave the job as is. Everything's working, but we're most likely gonna give them a new system. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.